Here's something most people get completely wrong about kiwi. They think it's just an exotic fruit that's nice to have occasionally, but nothing special. Maybe something you put in a fruit salad or use as a garnish? But what if I told you that eating kiwi every day could improve your sleep quality, boost your immune system, help you digest food better, lower your blood pressure, and even improve your skin from the inside out? And we're not talking about eating a dozen kiwis every day. We're talking about just 1 or 2 kiwis that easily fit into a normal, healthy diet. Stick with me for the next few minutes, because by the end of this video, you're going to look at kiwi completely differently. This isn't just a fuzzy little fruit. It's one of nature's most nutrient-packed superfoods that most people completely overlook. Before we dive in, if you could take just 2 seconds to hit that like button, it really helps more people discover this important information. I truly appreciate it. Now let's get into what happens to your body when you start eating kiwi regularly. Let's start with what happens in the first few days when you begin eating kiwi regularly. The most immediate effect is your immune system gets a massive boost. Kiwi is absolutely loaded with vitamin C. In fact, one medium kiwi contains more vitamin C than an orange. We're talking about 117% of your daily vitamin C needs in just one kiwi. Within 24 to 48 hours of eating kiwi regularly, your white blood cells start working more effectively. Vitamin C helps these cells identify and destroy threats faster, whether it's a virus, bacteria, or other pathogens. It's like upgrading your immune system's operating system. But vitamin C isn't working alone. Kiwi contains powerful antioxidants, vitamin E, and polyphenols that work together to protect your cells from damage. People who eat kiwi regularly tend to get sick less often. And when they do catch something, their symptoms are milder and they recover faster. One study found that people who ate kiwi daily had 50% fewer cold and flu symptoms compared to those who didn't. That's a huge difference from such a simple addition to your diet. Your digestive system also gets an immediate boost. Kiwi contains an enzyme called actinidine that helps break down protein in your digestive system. Within just a few days of eating kiwi regularly, people often notice their digestion feels smoother and more comfortable. If you've ever felt bloated or uncomfortable after eating a protein-rich meal, kiwi can help with that. After about a week of eating kiwi daily, your sleep quality starts improving in remarkable ways. This is one of kiwi's most surprising benefits that most people don't know about. Kiwi contains serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate your sleep cycle. It also contains antioxidants and folate that have been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. Multiple studies have found that eating kiwi before bed significantly improves sleep. One study had participants eat 2 kiwis 1 hour before bedtime for 4 weeks. The results were impressive. They fell asleep 42% faster, slept 13% longer, and their sleep quality improved by 5%. These aren't small improvements. We're talking about life-changing sleep benefits from eating 2 kiwis before bed. People who start eating kiwi regularly often report falling asleep easier, sleeping more deeply, and waking up feeling more refreshed. If you struggle with sleep, this alone makes kiwi worth trying. After the first week, your digestive health continues improving in powerful ways. Kiwi is packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber. One kiwi contains about 2.5 grams of fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. The fiber in kiwi feeds beneficial gut bacteria, helping maintain a healthy microbiome. A healthy gut affects everything: digestion, immunity, mood, even weight management. But here's what makes kiwi special. Studies have shown that eating kiwi regularly can significantly improve bowel movements and reduce constipation. One study found that people who ate 2 kiwis daily had increased bowel frequency and softer stools without any negative side effects. Now let me ask you something. How many of you actually eat kiwi regularly? Not just once in a while when you're feeling adventurous, but actually making it a consistent part of your diet? Drop a comment and let me know. I'm curious if people realize how beneficial this fruit really is. Let's jump ahead to the 2 to 3 week mark. This is where your cardiovascular system starts saying thank you. Kiwi is incredibly heart healthy, and the research backing this up is impressive. Kiwi helps reduce blood pressure naturally. The potassium in kiwi helps balance sodium levels in your body, which directly affects blood pressure. Studies have shown that people who eat kiwi regularly have significantly lower blood pressure. One study found that eating 3 kiwis per day reduced blood pressure more effectively than eating 1 apple per day. The reduction was significant enough to potentially reduce the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Kiwi also helps improve your cholesterol profile. Research shows that eating kiwi regularly can reduce triglycerides and increase HDL cholesterol, the good kind. The antioxidants in kiwi prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, which is crucial because oxidized cholesterol is what sticks to artery walls and forms dangerous plaques. Kiwi contains compounds that reduce blood clotting. This is actually beneficial because excessive clotting can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Studies have shown that eating kiwi regularly reduces platelet aggregation, similar to how aspirin works but through a natural food source. Better blood pressure, improved cholesterol, reduced clotting risk. Your heart absolutely loves kiwi. After about a month of eating kiwi daily, your skin health gets serious benefits. Kiwi is packed with vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm, smooth, and youthful. Within a month of eating kiwi regularly, your body has consistent access to the vitamin C it needs for optimal collagen synthesis. The vitamin E and antioxidants in kiwi protect your skin cells from damage caused by UV radiation, pollution, and aging. They help preserve skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. People who eat kiwi regularly often notice their skin looks more radiant, feels smoother, and shows fewer signs of aging over time. Some people even notice improvements in skin conditions like acne or eczema because of kiwi's anti-inflammatory properties. At the 2-month mark, your respiratory health improves noticeably. This is especially important if you have asthma or other breathing issues. Research has shown that eating kiwi regularly can improve lung function and reduce respiratory symptoms. One study found that children who ate kiwi regularly had significantly fewer wheezing episodes and less shortness of breath. The vitamin C and antioxidants in kiwi help reduce inflammation in the airways and protect lung tissue from oxidative damage. Adults who eat kiwi regularly also report better breathing, especially during exercise, and fewer respiratory infections. After 3 to 6 months of eating kiwi daily, your eye health gets powerful protection. Kiwi contains lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that accumulate in your retina and protect your eyes from damage. These compounds filter harmful blue light and protect against age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Kiwi also helps prevent cataracts. Studies have shown that people who consume foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin like kiwi have significantly lower rates of these age-related eye problems. Your vision stays sharper and your eyes stay healthier as you age. Your inflammation levels drop significantly. Chronic inflammation is linked to almost every major disease: heart disease, diabetes, cancer, Alzheimer's, arthritis. Kiwi is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. The combination of vitamin C, vitamin E, polyphenols, and other antioxidants work together to reduce inflammatory markers throughout your body. People who eat kiwi regularly often report less joint pain, less stiffness, better recovery after exercise, and just generally feeling more comfortable in their bodies. That's inflammation reduction at work. Now, before we go any further, let me pause for a second. If you're finding this valuable, if you're learning things about kiwi you never knew, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that subscribe button. We're sharing practical health information that actually works here. No miracle cures, no expensive supplements, just honest science-backed information about everyday foods that make a real difference. So if this resonates with you, hit subscribe and let's keep learning together. After 6 months to a year of eating kiwi regularly, the long-term benefits really start stacking up. Your cancer risk decreases. Now, kiwi isn't a cancer cure, but research consistently shows that people who eat kiwi regularly have lower rates of certain cancers. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in kiwi help protect cells from the kind of DNA damage that can lead to cancer development. Kiwi also contains compounds that have been shown to inhibit cancer cell growth in laboratory studies. Your bone health improves. While kiwi isn't typically thought of as a bone-building food, it contains vitamin K, which is essential for bone health. Vitamin K helps your body use calcium properly and reduces bone loss. The vitamin C in kiwi also plays a role in bone formation. People who eat vitamin C-rich foods like kiwi regularly have higher bone density and lower rates of fractures as they age. Your blood sugar regulation improves noticeably. Despite containing natural sugars, kiwi actually helps stabilize blood sugar rather than spike it. Kiwi has a low glycemic index, and the fiber in kiwi slows down sugar absorption, giving you steady energy instead of spikes and crashes. Studies have shown that eating kiwi with meals can help reduce the overall glycemic response of the meal. This is huge for preventing type 2 diabetes and maintaining stable energy throughout the day. Your mental health and mood improve. The vitamin C in kiwi has been linked to better mood and reduced symptoms of depression and anxiety. One study found that people who ate kiwi daily reported feeling more energized, had better mood, and felt less fatigued. The serotonin in kiwi may also play a role in mood regulation. People who eat kiwi regularly often report feeling more positive, less stressed, and more emotionally balanced. Let's talk about practical stuff for a minute. How do you actually make eating kiwi a regular habit? Because they need to be ripe to taste good, the fuzzy skin can be off-putting, and they can go bad quickly. Here's what works. Buy kiwis when they're slightly firm and let them ripen at room temperature for a few days. They're ready when they yield slightly to gentle pressure. Store ripe kiwis in the refrigerator to extend their freshness for up to 2 weeks. Cut kiwis in half and scoop out the flesh with a spoon. This is the easiest way to eat them and avoids dealing with the skin. You can't actually eat the fuzzy skin. It's completely edible and contains extra fiber and nutrients. Just wash it well and bite in. Some people find golden kiwis sweeter and less tart than green kiwis. Try both to see which you prefer. Add kiwi to smoothies for a tropical flavor and nutrient boost. Some people worry about the fuzzy skin or the tiny black seeds in kiwi. The skin is completely safe to eat and actually contains additional fiber and antioxidants. The seeds are also safe and provide healthy fats and vitamin E. Both are beneficial, not harmful. Some people have allergic reactions to kiwi. Kiwi allergy is real and can cause mouth tingling, swelling, or in rare cases, more serious reactions. If you've never eaten kiwi before, start with a small amount to make sure you don't have an allergy. Here's a question I want you to think about. What would it feel like to sleep better, have more energy, breathe easier, and have glowing skin? And what if the solution was as delicious as eating kiwi regularly? Let me share something personal. I started eating 1 or 2 kiwis almost every day about 8 months ago. Usually in the morning with breakfast or as an evening snack an hour before bed. And honestly, I started eating them mainly for the sleep benefits because I'd been struggling with insomnia. But after a few weeks, I noticed so much more than better sleep. My sleep did improve dramatically. I fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more rested. But I also noticed my digestion improved significantly. I feel lighter and more comfortable after meals. My skin looks noticeably healthier and more radiant. My energy is more stable throughout the day. I haven't been sick once in 8 months, which is remarkable for me. I'm not saying kiwi fixed everything, but it contributed to improvements I didn't even realize were possible. and it was incredibly easy to add to my routine. Now let's address some common questions. Can I eat kiwi every day? Absolutely. 1 to 2 kiwis daily is a great serving that provides significant benefits. Should I eat the skin? You can, and it provides extra nutrients and fiber. Just wash it thoroughly. If the texture bothers you, peel it or scoop out the flesh. Are golden kiwis better than green? Both are excellent and have similar nutritional profiles. Golden kiwis are sweeter and less tart, while green kiwis have slightly more vitamin C. Choose based on your taste preference. What about kiwi juice? Fresh kiwi is best because it contains fiber. Juice lacks fiber and is more concentrated in sugars. If you drink kiwi juice, stick to small amounts and look for 100% juice with no added sugar. Before we wrap up, I want you to think about this. What's one small change you could make today that your body would still be thanking you for a year from now? For many people, it's kiwi. Simple, delicious, nutrient-packed, and incredibly powerful. Health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes the most powerful changes come from the simplest additions to your daily routine. Here's my challenge to you. Eat 1 to 2 kiwis 5 to 6 times a week for the next 30 days. Pay attention to how you feel. Notice your sleep quality, your digestion, your energy, your skin, your overall sense of well-being. I'm willing to bet you'll notice positive changes. And if you do, come back and let me know in the comments. I want to hear your stories. If you found this helpful and want more practical health insights about everyday foods, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel. We have videos covering many other fruits and vegetables with surprising health benefits like blueberries, avocados, spinach, almonds, and so much more. Drop a comment if there's a specific food you'd like me to cover next. Because your health matters, and small daily choices like eating kiwi add up to massive results over time. Alright, that's it for today. Go grab some kiwis. Your body's going to thank you.